Hello everyone. Today's painting will be of an American goldfinch bird. It will be painted in acrylics and will be on A4 size multimedia paper. It will be a 300 GSM paper, so it's quite thick to take on all types of water media, and especially watercolor, gouache and acrylics. So I hope you enjoy the video and we'll see you in there. I will start with the predominant yellow colour of the male bird. The American goldfinch is a small migrating bird. This one is the male of the species. The goldfinch eats seeds from thistles, dandelions, and summer sunflowers. The American goldfinch undergoes a molt in the spring and autumn. It is the only finch to undergo molting twice a year. During the winter molts, it sheds all its feathers. In the spring, it sheds all but the wing and tail feathers, which are dark brown in the female and black in the male. The one distinct feature about the male is the black cap that it wears. And the yellow and black certainly make the bird stand out. The markings on these feathers remain through each molt, with bars on the wings and white under the edges of the short notched tail. Once the molt is complete, the body of the male is a brilliant lemon yellow, a colour produced by the plant materials in its diet, with a striking jet black cap and white rump that is visible during the flight. The female is mostly brown, lighter on the underside with a yellow bib. So after the autumn molt, the bright summer feathers are replaced by duller plumage, becoming buff below the olive brown above, with a pale yellow face and bib. The autumn plumage is almost identical in both sexes, but the male has yellow shoulder patches. I thought I would add a green background for the bird to give it a complete contrast from the bright yellow of its plumage. To keep it looking bright and standing out. This is more of an impressionistic style that I'm used to doing, and there's not a lot of fine detail, but rather the impression of the features that are there. Rather than getting too bogged down in fine details and that type of thing. I put a little bit of greenery on the branch on which it's sitting to give it some interest. And of course with the wings, I made them with the little blue in them to give the impression of the sky reflecting on them. Again, I'm not putting in too much in the way of definition, but just hinting at the detail of each wing to give the impression of what's there. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye for now.